Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into TickTick, an amazing task management app that's making waves in 2024. If you've been on the hunt for a way to keep your life more organized and boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Let's see how TickTick can transform your daily grind into a smooth ride. Now let's talk about some common struggles we all face when it comes to managing tasks. Ever found yourself procrastinating, saying you'll get to that important project later? Or maybe you have a million things on your plate and keeping track of them feels impossible. And let's not forget that annoying feeling of forgetting something crucial. With so many distractions around us, it's no wonder we often feel overwhelmed and unproductive. But it doesn't have to be that way. So, how does TickTick swoop in to save the day? First up, let's explore some of its core features. From organizing tasks into lists to setting reminders that actually work, TickTick is designed to help you tackle your workload effectively. You can collaborate with teammates, share lists, and even assign tasks. This way, you're not just managing your own tasks, but you're also keeping everyone in the loop. Plus, the intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate so you can focus on what really matters instead of struggling with the app itself. Now, let's get to the good stuff. One feature that really sets TickTick apart from other task management apps is its gamification elements. Yeah, you heard that right. TickTick turns productivity into a game, so you can earn rewards and badges for completing tasks. This not only makes managing your to-do list more fun, but it also keeps you motivated. And let's face it, who doesn't want a little extra incentive to get things done? So to wrap it all up, TickTick not only helps you manage your tasks, but it also supports you in overcoming procrastination and staying organized. With its powerful features and fun gamification elements, it's the perfect app to boost your productivity in 2024. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite task management tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next video.